Hello friends, today we are going to learn English workshop of unit number 1.5 The Necklace part 1 from standard 9th English. विद्यार्थी मित्रांनो, आज आपण इयत्ता 9वी इंग्रजी विषयातील युनिट नंबर 1.5 द नेकलेस पार्ट 1 या पाठाचा स्वाध्याय अभ्यासणार आहोत. चला तर मित्रांनो, आपल्या आजच्या सेशनला सुरुवात करूयात. क्वेश्चन नंबर 1. रीड ईच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग सेंटेन्सेस अलाउड. खाली दिलेली वाक्ये मोठ्याने वाचा. राईट हू सेड इट टू हुम. आणि ही वाक्ये कोणी कोणास म्हणाले ते लिहा. ए. लुक हियर्स समथिंग फॉर यू. आन्सर. मॅटिल्डा's husband said to Matilda. B. Why the dress you go to the theater in? Answer. Matilda's husband said to Matilda. C. I would rather not go to the party. Answer. Matilda said to her husband. D. Choose my dear. Answer. Madame Forestier said to Matilda. E. You have nothing else. Answer. Matilda said to Madame Forestier. F. Would you lend me this, just this? Answer. Matilda said to Madame Forestier. G. What? How? That's impossible. Answer. Matilda's husband said to Matilda. Next question. Question number 2. Read the conversations in the story aloud using proper intonation. मित्रांनो, नेकलेस या पाठातील संवाद आवाजातील योग्य चढ उताराने वाचा. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन. क्वेश्चन नंबर 3. Write a few lines about what Matilda had and what she dreamed about. मित्रांनो, मॅटिल्डाकडे काय होते व ती कशाची स्वप्ने पाहत होती हे थोडक्यात लिहा. Answer. Matilda lived in a shabby, poorly furnished house. She had no rich dresses, no jewels, and these were the only things she loved. She also dreamed of a grand palatial mansion with vast rooms and inviting smaller rooms. Next question. Question number 4. Write what you think about the following thoughts and actions of Matilda. मित्रांनो, पुढचा प्रश्न आहे, मॅटिल्डाच्या खालील विचार व कृतीबद्दल तुम्हाला काय वाटते ते लिहा. A. Matilda was beautiful and so she wanted to marry an aristocrat. म्हणजे मॅटिल्डा सुंदर होती म्हणून तिला एका अमीर उमराव किंवा उच्च कुलातील व्यक्तीशी विवाह करायचा होता. Answer. She was not wrong to think so because every woman, beautiful or not, wants to marry a person who has good position and wealth. B. Matilda was sad because she did not get any luxurious. मॅटिल्डा दुःखी होती कारण तिला चैनीच्या वस्तू मिळत नव्हत्या. Answer. Her thinking was not correct. She should have managed in whatever they were earning and lived a simple but happy life. See, Matilda felt that her house was shabby and poorly furnished. मॅटिल्डाला तिचे घर जुनाट व गैरसोयीने भरलेले आहे असे वाटत होते. Answer. Her feelings are wrong because it depends on the people who live in the house to keep the house clean, tidy and beautiful with whatever furniture. D. Matilda wanted other people to envy her. इतर लोकांना आपला हेवा वाटावा असे मॅटिल्डाला वाटत होते. Answer. Matilda's thought was wrong because happiness does not depend on making the people envy you. E. Matilda was not happy to see the invitation. मॅटिल्डाला निमंत्रण पाहून फारसा आनंद झाला नाही. Answer: Matilda did not care about the importance of the invitation her husband had received. She was thinking only about the dress she would wear there. If Matilda wanted a new dress for herself. मॅटिल्डाला पार्टीमध्ये घालण्यासाठी स्वतःसाठी नवीन ड्रेस हवा होता. Answer: Matilda wanted a new dress for herself only to selfishly corner her husband for extorting money from him to buy a new dress. Her thought was silly and unreasonable. G. Matilda borrowed a diamond necklace from her friend and wore it to the party. मॅटिल्डाने पार्टीमध्ये घालण्यासाठी आपल्या मैत्रिणीकडून रत्नहार उसना घेतला. Answer: Borrowing a diamond necklace was not a dire need of Matilda. She could have used flowers instead, but she wanted another woman's necklace. She did not understand that borrowing is begging. H. Matilda lost her necklace. मॅटिल्डाने तिचा रत्नहार हरवला. Answer: Matilda was so overwhelmed and captivated by her success that she was not aware of her responsibility of safekeeping the borrowed necklace carefully. She lost it because of her carelessness. Next question. Question number 5. Prepare a formal invitation using the following format. मित्रांनो, खाली दिलेल्या विहित नमुन्याचा वापर करून एक औपचारिक निमंत्रण पत्रिका तयार करा. Answer: Mr. and Mrs. Sandeep Patil solicit or request the pleasure of your company on the occasion of the 25th wedding anniversary of their parents on Monday, 4th October 2021. Venue: Sundar Hall, शाहूपुरी, कोल्हापूर. Time: 6 PM to 9 PM. No presents please. अशा प्रकारे विद्यार्थी मित्रांनो तुम्ही औपचारिक निमंत्रण पत्रिका तयार करू शकता. अशा प्रकारे विद्यार्थी मित्रांनो आज आपण इयत्ता 9वी इंग्रजी विषयातील युनिट नंबर 1.5 द नेकलेस पार्ट 1 या पाठाचा स्वाध्याय अभ्यासलेला आहे. तुम्हाला व्हिडिओ आवडला असेल तर लाईक करा, शेअर करा आणि आपल्या चॅनलला अजून सबस्क्राईब केलं नसेल तर सबस्क्राईब करा. आज आपण इथंच थांबूयात. जय हिंद, जय महाराष्ट्र.